Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today is gonna be an interesting video because I will be showing you my top five favorite natural hair products that have worked for me over this past about 3 years or so since I've been natural. So if you want to see that, keep watching. Alright, so the first product that I'm going to start out with is probably the first one that I found that really worked for me, and it's actually the Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner. I'm going to put up a clip, a picture of what it looks like so you guys can see, because it's not going to focus if I point it here, but it's the Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioner. I love this product just because it gives me a lot of slip when when we first used the product here upon my hair. I was like, wow, the tangles were literally melting away. And I think it's a pretty popular product for a lot of naturals in general in the community, but trust me, I really like it. And I cannot go a wash day if I don't use it. Like, detangling is such a dream and a breeze with the Aussie Moist Conditioner. So that's probably my top favorite out of these five. Like, this is probably the most favorite. The next one that I've been also using for quite a long time is the Originals by Africa's Best Hair Mayonnaise with extra virgin olive oil. Again, I'll put up a picture so you guys can see. This, I really like this, and this, it's so reasonable too because I live in Jamaica, so I bought this for $580, which is probably about maybe $3 US. But yeah, I really like this product. My hair really loves it. Like, anytime I wash out this conditioner out of my hair, the hair mayonnaise, like, my hair still feels very moisturized, and I can tell that it continues to be moisturized throughout the entire week. So really love that for me. So yeah, I really like this product. I would definitely recommend it. If you are protein sensitive, you might want to be careful. I am not. I find that my hair really likes, the hair mayonnaise likes protein, but if you are protein sensitive, just be careful. I don't use this deep conditioner every time. I just use it, I don't know, maybe every other week or every 3 weeks or so. It just depends on how my hair feels. That's what I use to really determine how often I need to be using the hair mayonnaise. The next product is a more recent product, but a product I really love. It's the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Hydrating Curling Cream. You listen, this, I just picked this up in the beauty supply store just on a whim. I was just like, this look like, actually I think it's the smell that actually caught my attention the first time. I was like, yo, this thing smells really good. It's very thick and very creamy. I know you guys won't be able to see it, but if you guys know this product, comment down below and tell me how you guys like it. I love this product. This product literally keeps my hair moisturized for the entire week. And I'm a very simple natural. Like, I buy very affordable products, and I make sure that my routine is as simple as possible, so it's more easier, or it's easier for me to stick to. And trust me, this keeps my hair moisturized for the entire week until I'm ready to wash and style again. So I really love this product. I love the smell. It makes my hair very soft, very moisturized, and it glides really nicely through my hair, and it is very thick, and my hair really likes thick products. So this is another one of my favorites. It is so hard to find here in Jamaica, and I don't know if it's because a lot of people find that it works for them and it's affordable. But trust me, I know it's just a little bit left in there, and I'm just like, I want to do one last wash and go with it before I have to buy a new one. But I want to get a new one first because I don't know if what is in there will be enough for me to use on my whole entire head when I'm doing my wash and go. The next product is a product that one of my co-workers, Star, actually told me about. She actually used this product on her skin, and she said she found that it worked wonders for her. And it's the Ashanti Naturals 100% African Shea Butter. Now, this is the one that I can find here readily in Jamaica. It's the most affordable one, and I actually find it in the Chinese wholesales in Halfway Tree. If you know where Halfway Tree is in Kingston, then I just go in one of those wholesales and find it, and it's actually the creamy kind. I really like this just because it helps to seal in the moisture, so I love using it in conjunction with the Cream of Nature Hydrating Curl Cream that I mentioned previously. I love using both of them together. They mix very well, and my hair just seems to maintain a lot more moisture when I include the shea butter in my hair. I really love it, and as I said, it's a very affordable brand, and I tend to get the creamy one just because it's, you know, it's softer, it blends out easily when I'm doing my wash and goes. So I really love this. I would definitely recommend 10 out of 10 that you get a shea butter. That's just personally how I feel, like shea butter, and it's a thick kind of oil. Like, it's not oily, but it's like more creamy, and as I said before, my hair really loves thick products, so this is a definite favorite for me. I've been using it for a couple years now. It's also almost finished. I need to get it. I need to get one like ASAP, but because, you know, under quarantine, it's not so easy for me to get these things, but hopefully soon I can actually re-up and stock up on my products. The fifth and final product is the Eco Styler Gel Do Not Scandal Buckle. I've had it a while and I really use it a whole lot. So till the writing all come off it, and it's the crystal one. Now the crystal one to me is the best one. I have tried a couple of them. I've tried the castor oil and flaxseed, hated it, flaked terribly, did not like it, did not give me any hold, made my hair very dry and just awful. The olive oil made my scalp itch so badly. I would never recommend it. I'd never use it again. I think I used it one time and I got a big one of the big containers and I gave it away to a friend who it works for. But the crystal one is bae. Like, I would not use another Eco Styler. Like, I tried the different ones. I think I tried one other Eco Styler and I didn't like it either, and I said, yo, I'm not trying it anymore. I'm going to just stick to what I know works, and I love this because I can lay my edges with it and tie it down, and it actually lays for the entire day whether I'm sweat, yes or no. And also when I do my wash and goes, like, they are so defined. But not only are they defined, but it lasts for the entire week, so I get the hold that I need. Love it. And if I'm doing a slick back too, my hair and I tie it down, like, I'm good. It's not gonna frizz up unless my hair is wet and I don't tie it down for long enough, then it will frizz up. But when I tie it down and I set it, yo, that's it. Like, I have to wet it up again for the edges to lift up. So I really love the Eco Styler Crystal. Like, I just love it. No other gel work for me like how this worked for me. I'm currently using the Wet Line Extreme gel, but I mean, I don't feel like it has enough hold for me, and it's a little bit more drying in my opinion than the Eco Styler Crystal. But I really love the Eco Styler Crystal. These are just overall some of the products that have really assisted me along my hair journey, ensuring that I get definition but also moisture and also longevity in my styles. So I really love all of these products. Please comment down below if you have used any of these products, if you like them, you don't like them. Let me know. I want to hear from you guys down in the comments. And of course, remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share. Really guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you a lot for watching this video. I appreciate every single one of you, and if you guys have not seen my previous videos, please go and check them out and let me know what you think. If there's anything that you'd like me to try or any video suggestions that you guys have, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks again for watching guys. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Love you guys. Bye.